Oh, that was up there, baby. Alright, y'all, got the K6 out for the next run. Completely M2CIFIED. I did upgrade it to the new V5 RPM arms, but that's pretty much all I've done to it. Oh, yeah, I got that new steering top plate too from M2C on this car. Let's see what's up. This car, I ripped through the whole thing, new shocks, everything. I haven't touched this car in a year, so it needed it. I don't like how squirrely she is. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know why she's always acting stupid. Oh, and I did put an EXB basher bumper on the front too and took the T-bone off. Oh, that was up there, baby. Running the 1730 Hobbystar, geared 20. With a Mamba Monster X ESC that's holding on for dear life. Got the basher body on there. I mean, I like the body, I like the look. Just can't get over the weight. That's my only issue. But if you want a body you'll never have to replace again, that's it. That body's a brute, man. Tough. She's acting funky donkey. Forgot to notch my wing out. I moved my wing forward. I'm gonna notch the shock holes out. Let's go up here with the ants. Alright, ants, get a piece of salami, why don't you? I mean, that wasn't bad, but I didn't even hit the damn jump. Hit the side of it. Look at that beautiful chassis, M2C, baby. And I don't know why I did it, but I took the T-bone bumper out the back. You know, tell me why I did that, I don't know. I have no protection on the back. No wheelie bar, nothing, just the wing. So we're gonna see. Whew, smacking, baby. Smack that booty. Going through. Yes, the wings jacked up again. Motor ain't sounding real good. I think I'm broke. Get you some. I knew I was broke. I was checking out the whole not having a bumper thing and seeing if that shit was gonna work, or let's find out. What we break? Oh, get out of the amp pile. Alright, broke a shock rod end. Not a big deal. Shit, the wing held it, baby. Not even broke. Shock tower straight. Shit. So I broke a front toe link, steering link, and a rear shock rod end. Not too shabby, baby. Not too shabby. I'll take that any day of the week. Especially if I can drive it back to the house. Baby steps. Alright, y'all. I'm going to do this out here from now for this today. Let's check it out. Alright. There's that new M2C steering top plate. That thing is just a piece of work and never going anywhere ever. 1730 Hobbystar, that's really hot. That's probably what that noise was. Castle Mamba Monster X8S, it's not even warm. I broke the steering link rod end and a rear shock rod end. That's it. That's pretty much it, y'all. The new RPM arms held up as far as I can see. Chassis still straight. The arms still look good. The rear arms have been breaking right here. I've broke 3 or 4 of them now. And then the front ones are breaking right at the suspension pin. Alright, y'all, that's my K6. Grab another car.